Netting is one of the best ways to protect your trees from birds, bats, wild bugs, and harmful animals. If you're an eager gardener, you know that birds can be a real nuisance. They love to pick at ripe fruits and vegetables, and they can do a lot of damage in a short amount of time. One way to protect your plants is to use bird nets. One of the main benefits of using bird nets for fruit trees is that it protects your fruits and vegetables from being eaten by birds. Birds can do a lot of damage to a crop in a short amount of time, and their droppings can also spread diseases to your plants. By using bird nets, you can keep your fruits and vegetables safe from hungry birds. Another benefit of using bird nets is that they can help increase your crop yield. When birds peck at fruits and vegetables, they often damage them beyond repair. When birds damage your crops, it means they can't be sold or eaten. By using bird nets, you can reduce the number of damaged fruits and vegetables, which means more money in your pocket. Consider buying bird nets that is safe for wildlife. White-colored netting is best as it stands out against the foliage of the fruit tree. This will make it easier for flying foxes to see and avoid. This type of netting will also protect fruit from sunburn, hail damage, and fruit fly. Suitable netting can be purchased from hardware stores like Bunnings, nurseries, or specialist netting manufacturers. Thin nylon netting should not be used as it is easily pulled out of shape by an animal climbing on it, causing the animal to become entangled. Once entangled, birds and flying foxes become stressed, breaking bones and tearing wing membranes as they struggle to get free. The monofilament line can cut into the animal, causing deep wounds and even stop circulation. Ultimately, these injuries can lead to shock and death, particularly if the animal is trapped for a long time. Entangled flying foxes may also be mothers nursing young that are waiting at the nursery roost. These young will starve if the parent does not return to the roost within a day. Sa makikita nyo po sa video na ito, tinatanggal ko po ang bird netting kasi natapos na pong mamunga ang aking peach tree. Today's date is the 10th of March 2023. A wise turtle once said that no matter what you do, your peach seed will grow into a peach tree. You may wish for an apple or an orange, but you will get a peach. I don't know about you, but I wouldn't wish for my peach tree to be anything else. Growing a peach tree is straightforward, and yes, you can grow peaches from seed. I planted this peach tree 4 years ago. On the other hand, if you were wondering what was the banging noise all about while I was talking, ito pala guys, nasira po ang training wheels ng bisikleta ni Scarlett, and her dad is trying to fix them. Did you say thank you, Daddy?
For
Fixing your bike?
thank you, Daddy, for fixing my bike.
Hindi pa talaga komportable si Scarlett na magbabike na walang training wheels. I tried and tried and tried and tried to encourage her pero ayaw talaga niya. Sabi niya, I need more practice, Mom. And now, it's time for me to put this bird netting away. Tatago ko na to guys for next year kasi tapos na po ang stone fruit season dito sa South Australia. Ayan po guys, masarap po ito na peach na to. Yellow colored peach. Yan. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching my vlog for today. And sana po ay nag-enjoy kayo guys. Bye!